Hi, I'm Larry Yeo. Welcome to Can Make It Makeup. Because your makeup can't make it, I am here to help you make it. Cheeks and lips is the bane to some people because once they apply too much, they might look as if they're effigies for 7-month Ghost Festival. Or when they apply the lips so dark, people can't tell where the hair starts and where the hair ends. Let me show you what to do for an easy contour. Yes, that's contour. And an easy to apply lip color without any mistake. With cheeks, I'm going to start off with contouring. I'm using a NARS multiple stick. It's a beautiful golden brown shade. With what you see online, they tend to draw baguette on the face. The easier way to create a contour is taking the golden brown product, put it on the fatty part of your hand. Just take it a little bit and swipe. Color on, no, I'm joking. Simply match both sides together and you tap, staining both area with color. So if you do it on yourself, you simply do this and you tap. But because I'm doing it on her, we do this and I tap. I will not go below the cheeks. I'll just go on the center of her face. And now you have a soft diffuse color that's right there. To diffuse it out, simply switch to your fingers and tap again. Because it's a golden brown, you finish and your natural contour is there. If you don't believe me, I can do on one face. Because my forehead is bigger, this part is smaller, I'm not going to do below. If I do below, I'm going to look like the Martian from Mars. And simply hit the bone here. This is without mirror. So I got two color tone here. Switching to my fingers, now I tap. By doing this, you're airbrushing the color out and immediately the contour is there. No big goods left behind. Next, I'm going to apply watercolor blush. Most makeup artists, when they apply a watercolor blush, is you fade out the color. So it looks like washes and hues of blush up on the skin. But I'm going to use MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus and a CLINIQUE blusher. What you're going to do is simple as this. You take a brush, you swipe. So the beautiful color transfers to the brush. So tap, swipe. So with this beautiful berry color, what you can do is when you spray it to the palm. Do this and you spray on. You got a small reservoir of hydrating toner here. Taking the product, you dip it in. Because the blusher is big, as you press it in, it becomes a watercolor. Where do we put the blusher? Most people will say, smile. If I put it here, relax, it's going to droop all the way down. Okay? You can pull the whole face downwards. The easier point is using your own fingers, press and feel the highest point of your bone. Your cheekbone is here, you press it. So there's always a sharpest point. No matter how fat you think your face is, it's not fat. You can feel that bloody bone. Just take it, feel it where it is, take it and you touch. Because it's berry tone, it's almost like your blood mixing with your own skin becomes a natural flush. So by doing that, as you dab it on, you blend it out. At any point, if it's too harsh, you use your ultimate 4 friends of blending and then you tap. By doing this, you're pressing the color on the skin. It looks like it flushes from within. So if I do this and just blend it out towards the contour and then push into the skin, it looks like one. So eventually when you see it, people will say, oh, what's that beautiful one color? You're like, oh, just one blush lah, just one blush. Don't have to be shy. Tell no one the secret, unless you watch me. Once again, the highest point, never on the fattier part of the face. Just tap, right? Blend it behind. If it's too much, your fingers, just tap. It will look blended in, and it's a beautiful flush that comes from within. So this is already done. So you just do this, you tap, everything is done. See the glow? No highlighting powder. Next, I'm going to use a colored lip balm. This is called Stain Glow Lip Balm from Laneige. This is in a more vibrant orangey red, which I like because it is more warm. So as you apply on, it evens out the lip color. You see how it brightens the lip by one swipe. This is amazingly good for those with like slightly darker lip, or you find that whatever lipstick you apply on, it looks a bit too purpley because your lip undertone is grey. As I apply on, it glides and negates the purple tone away. The skin looks fresher, the purple tone has disappeared. See that? It's even out. It's a balm as well. So when you apply on, I want the sheerness to it, and it neutralizes the shade and it binds the color in one shade. So I'm finished it with a MAC Powder Kiss lipstick. The berry tone is in Burning Love. Burning Love. This texture is amazing because it's a moisturizing powder finish. So it's like applying a lip balm on that feels like a powder. I just apply it in the center. See how beautiful the berry color is, you sweep on. Just only at the center. And next what I need to do is do this, you block together. What I'm asking you to do is keep on pressing because you want to diffuse the color out. By pressing, it allows the color to fade into the skin. It looks as if more lift in. And at the edges itself, it's simply easy to blend it out. You can simply use your finger and gently, don't rub it, just tap. Some people will show like rubbing, and rubbing is okay if you're doing makeup on someone else. But because if you do it on yourself, you rub too hard, something smudges so big, their lips become like. If it comes out of the lip line, it's okay because your best friend is a Q-tip or cotton bud. Just take it and run it around the lip line. So by doing this, you're creating a diffused look that's not too harsh, but enough color to show the natural pulp. And of course, if someone asks you what color you use, you're like, no la, one color. Then you must do your head, one color.
Oh my god. This is new, I've never tried this before.
Yeah, but you see how all the color pops on your skin?
Yeah.
You won't look as if that, oh, you're like, oh, I've got the whole Instagram trend on my face. It's all spread out. It's more chic, I would say, and you can carry off in many different looks.
I think it's nice for work. Thanks, Larry.
Thank you. So there you have it. This is the last segment. Hopefully, your makeup can make it now. If you cannot make it, please look through the 5 videos again. If you still cannot make it, I'm available for a fee. Yahoo!